Do you seriously think Billy Flynn is going to waste his time on every two-bit scuffle that gets into the papers?
Two-bit scuffle, 8 pictures and 9 columns in 2 days. I guess that ain't the bee's knees.
My dear girl, do you realize that during my first week here, I had a total of 15 pictures, 27 and a half columns, and an editorial denouncing me?
Please, you're so awful. It's all I can do to keep my mind on you.
Children. Here, you talk. You think you were the queen of the jail. Well, permit me to remind you, Miss Sloppy, your whole case is a very low-class affair. Whereas my friend was in the social register.
On a pass?
In my opinion, Mrs. Hart, you're a very ordinary bum, and you might as well face it.
Bum? I'll bum you!
Children. You girls have got to stop this squabbling. Let's see, where was I?